What's up, YouTube? Today we'll be reviewing the Jordan 1 low shattered backboards, holding in the camera for us so you can see it. And yeah, we'll be reviewing this shoe, giving y'all a look at it right now. This shoe, I'm pretty sure is going for around 300 to 400, and I think even 500 on some sites and apps like GOAT and StockX. But we got the shoe for retail when it was like $90 to $100, because when we saw the kick, we was like, yeah, this is a nice kick, and we should definitely get this and not miss out on this shoe. So we'll be giving y'all the review of this shattered backboard. Yeah, please make sure y'all like this video if you haven't already, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we got more student athlete track and field content on the way, more vlogs, and I'm taking y'all with me. I like to introduce y'all to my lifestyle content as well as my fashion, and, you know, things that I'm interested in, the things that I do. And yeah, today my girlfriend is joining me. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram at Jaden Battle. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, let's start with the colorway on this shoe. Shattered backboard. Got this Halloween looking orange, this black right here, and the white midsole, and also the white around the black Nike swoosh. I think this colorway is really clean. It has pretty much the OG colorway as all of the retro OG Jordan 1s have, the high top versions of these shoes, so I really like it. But yeah, also since she used to go to Auburn, I go to Auburn now, the colorway really goes good with a lot of the stuff that we wear. Even though the Auburn's an Under Armour school, I'm just saying, like, whenever I put this shoe on with any of my gear, my clothes, it looks really nice and really sleek that I have an orange Jordan 1 to go with it. What do you think about the suede? What do you think about the suede material of the shoe? The suede of this shoe is not very premium, I would say. It's just, I don't know. What you think? Like, what do you think about it?
Maybe that's because you wear your shoes too much.
Maybe. Okay. Maybe we wore the shoes a little too much.
No, mine feels good.
I guess there's different types of suedes. But
my orange kind of looks different than your orange too.
Yeah. But we talking about the suede, but as of right now, I mean, I think it feels very smooth. And I also think that the suede of this shoe is very durable. It doesn't start looking bad. It doesn't, it doesn't change up on you and stuff. So I think this is still pretty good condition after having this shoe for like probably over close to 2 years now. We had this shoe for dang near 2 years by now. But I wear my shoe a lot. Do you wear yours a lot?
No.
She doesn't wear hers as much as me. I mean, this was pretty much one of my favorite shoes that I had in my closet at the time, so I used to wear mine all the time, and I still do. This is actually one of my beater sneakers that I wear all the time.
I would not consider my shoe a beater.
What do you consider a beater? What shoe do you have that's considered a beater?
My low 11s, like my breads.
Black and red bread 11s.
Yeah, like those are beaters for sure.
Yeah, they do not look good. You definitely throw them on in the rain.
No, yeah, I definitely throw them on in the rain.
Yeah.
Like those are my beaters.
All right.
Do y'all like the black laces, or do y'all like the cream tan looking laces? Off-white laces.
Y'all rocking with the cream.
Oh, dang, look at my shoe.
Oh yeah, you got a scuff on it.
Nah, that's some liquid something.
So y'all rocking with the cream laces, or y'all rocking with the black? Look at the different colors of the shoe. You can see who wore theirs more. But I'm rocking with the cream. I think it gives the shoe a different vibe, different look. And then the fact that we both wear our shoes at the same time, it lets us have our own individuality, and lets us show that we're different in a way. You know what I'm saying? I'm the guy, she's the girl, and she got on black, I got on cream. It just
yeah, so we don't look like we're matching like way too hard. Like,
right.
We're not matching all the way.
We just, coordinating.
We coordinated.
Got the same shoe but different shoestrings. All right, y'all. We finna get into the fact that this snakeskin look of the shoe, on this white, that's something I've never noticed about this shoe, that it has kind of like a snakeskin pattern right there. I don't think all Jordan 1s have that. I'm pretty sure they all don't. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it definitely looks snakeskin right there. What do you think about that, man?
It's not really standing out to me. It looks just white to me.
She said it don't stand out, but I mean, I can see it. I just not noticed it for the first time, so it shows that it wasn't very noticeable. But I mean, I think it's cool, but like she said, it don't really stand out a whole lot. So it's not a big deal when picking a shoe or deciding that you want one. So
I will say, when I put my sneaker shield in and walk in this shoe, oh no.
All right. Now let's get into creasing of the shoe and creasability. Like, how long do they last? Do they need sneaker shields or whatever? What do you think?
Well, I definitely wear all my shoes with sneaker shields most of the time because I don't really wear them often. But when I do, I don't want them to crease. So when I wear these with sneaker shields, it's not it. Like, it's so different. And when I drive with sneaker shields in and these shoes, they're not comfortable at all. But I do like to get my shoes like a size down, so I don't have to tie the laces.
Right.
And I like a more snug fit on these low tops. So.
All right, and I personally prefer the shoe to fit a little looser on my toes, so we're different in that accord. But yeah, y'all, moving on. We finna give y'all the on-feet look at this shoe. You ready?
That's it.